Ever feel like managing payroll and banking are two separate planets orbiting different stars? You're meticulously running payroll in Gusto, ensuring everyone gets paid accurately and on time. Then, you're hopping over to your bank account, manually tracking debits, reconciling statements, and wishing there was an easier way for these crucial financial tasks to, well, talk to each other. If that resonates, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful integration that bridges this gap, streamlining your financial workflows and giving you back precious time, the connection between Relay Bank and Gusto. Now, you might be thinking, another integration? What makes this one so special? Well, buckle up, because this isn't just about connecting two platforms. It's about creating a cohesive financial ecosystem that simplifies how you manage your team's compensation and your business's cash flow. To truly understand the magic of this integration, let's first take a quick look at what each platform brings to the table individually. Gusto has become a favorite for businesses of all sizes, and for good reason. It's more than just a payroll processor, it's a comprehensive HR platform. Think about it. With Gusto, you can effortlessly manage payroll runs, automate tax filings, a huge sigh of relief for many, onboard new employees smoothly, handle benefits administration, and even track time off. It centralizes a lot of the administrative burden that comes with having a team. On the other side, we have Relay Bank, a modern banking platform built specifically for small businesses. Unlike traditional banks, Relay focuses on providing clear insights into your cash flow, collaborative tools for your team, and seamless integrations with other business-critical software. They understand that as a business owner, you need more than just a place to hold your money. You need a financial partner that helps you understand and manage it effectively. Features like multiple checking accounts with clear labels, built-in expense management tools, and the ability to grant controlled access to team members make it a powerful tool in its own right. So, what happens when you bring these two robust platforms together? That's where the real efficiency gains kick in. The Relay Bank and Gusto integration creates a direct and automated link between your payroll processes and your business bank account. Instead of manually transferring payroll information or constantly switching between platforms, the integration handles much of the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Let's break down the key benefits and how this integration actually works in practice. 1. Streamlined payroll processing. Imagine running payroll in Gusto, as you normally would. You finalize the pay period, approve the payments, and click Run Payroll. Now, instead of manually initiating transfers from your bank account to fund these payments, the Relay Bank integration can automate this step. Once payroll is processed in Gusto, the necessary funds are seamlessly and securely transferred from your designated Relay Bank account to your employees' accounts. This eliminates the risk of manual errors, saves you valuable time, and ensures your team gets paid promptly without you having to lift a finger in your banking platform. 2. Automated reconciliation. Reconciliation, the task that often feels like a necessary evil. Manually matching payroll records with bank statements can be time-consuming and prone to discrepancies. The Relay Bank and Gusto integration significantly simplifies this process. Because the payroll data from Gusto is directly linked to your Relay Bank account, transactions are automatically matched and recorded. This provides a clear and accurate view of your payroll expenses directly within your banking platform, making reconciliation faster, easier, and more reliable. Say goodbye to endless spreadsheets and cross-referencing. 3. Enhanced accuracy and reduced errors. Manual data entry is a breeding ground for errors. When you're manually transferring payroll information between platforms, there's always a risk of typos or incorrect amounts. By automating this data flow, the Relay Bank and Gusto integration minimizes the potential for these costly mistakes. Accurate payroll data is crucial for compliance, employee satisfaction, and maintaining healthy financial records. 4. Real-time visibility into cash flow. Understanding your cash flow is paramount for any business. With the Relay Bank and Gusto integration, you gain a clearer and more real-time view of your payroll expenses directly within your banking environment. As soon as payroll is processed, you can see the corresponding debits in your Relay Bank account, giving you an up-to-the-minute snapshot of your available funds. This enhanced visibility allows for better financial planning and forecasting. 5. Simplified reporting. Generating reports on payroll expenses becomes significantly easier with this integration. Because the data is seamlessly synced between Gusto and Relay Bank, you can often access comprehensive reports directly within either platform. This can include payroll summaries, tax payment records, and detailed transaction histories, all without having to manually compile information from multiple sources. This streamlined reporting saves time during tax season and provides valuable insights into your labor costs. 6. Improved security. Security is a top priority when dealing with sensitive financial and employee data. The Relay Bank and Gusto integration utilizes secure APIs, application programming interfaces, to ensure that data is transferred safely and reliably between the two platforms. This eliminates the need to manually download and upload sensitive files, reducing the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. How to set up the integration. Now that you understand the benefits, you're probably wondering how to actually connect Relay Bank and Gusto. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on updates to either platform, the general process is usually straightforward. Access the integration section in Gusto. Typically, within your Gusto account settings, you'll find a section dedicated to integrations or connected apps. Find Relay Bank. Look for Relay Bank in the list of available integrations. Connect your Relay Bank account. You'll likely be prompted to log into your Relay Bank account through a secure connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Gusto to connect with your bank account. Configure settings. You might have the option to specify which Relay Bank account you want to use for payroll funding and how you want the data to be synced. Verify the connection. Once the connection is established, it's always a good idea to verify that the integration is working correctly. You might be able to run a test payroll with dummy data, if available, to ensure the funds flow as expected. Both Relay Bank and Gusto typically provide detailed guides and support documentation to walk you through the integration process step by step. Don't hesitate to consult their help centers if you encounter any questions. Who is this integration for? The Relay Bank and Gusto integration is particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. These businesses often have lean administrative teams and can significantly benefit from automating manual tasks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.